Girlies, why do men or like why some content creators still doing what you call this, like vulgar contents, even though it's not the right platform. I mean, but kasi ako nag-i-English pero like I mean, alam niyo ba yung mga content creators na naka-brief in the first clip pa man din ng mga videos nila or like or the second one. Like for example, yung mas lalo yung mga nag-fashion content creators. Like, girl, yung bubungad sa'yo, naka-brief siya or like, alam mo you know what I mean? Yung mga naka-bakat na bakat talaga ate. Like, we're not gonna lie about that. Pero, you know what, girlies? This is Make It Happen Girl, a 10-minute podcast here in TikTok, in YouTube, and in Spotify. And I'm Joser, a person with a lot of things to say, and this is one of them, girl. This is improv. So yeah, this is improv. Anyways, so let's talk about men in their undies. Like, girl, naloloka ako lately. I mean, okay, let I'm gonna say this. This is triggered warning, or I don't know. This is warning. Attention. So I'm gay, and I fantasize men. Pero my point is like they should have, or they post their self in the right platform. Like not every platform is right for that content. You know what I mean? You get it ba, girlies? Kasi parang for me, for example, okay, for the record, noon I do that. Like I love fashion contents. I do like in my first clip I only wearing spandex or I'm only wearing cyclings or like undies, let's say undies. And somehow I find it cringe now since like mas naglawak yung head ko or like mas naging aware ako to what possible affect to my platform, to my personality, to my branding, and to my viewers. Kasi like, girlies, ang tawag ito? Kasi girlies, for me lang naman, na-realize ko siya, parang hindi na siya necessary to be clout. I think most men doing this contents are like to clout. Like, we get it. We get it now. I get it. We get it na gusto natin talaga magpasikat or gusto nating makilala. Pero like, to show those kinds of like, let's say body positivity, pa, pativi, oh my God, positive, ayun, positivity. Oh my God. Oh, funny. Anyways, positivity girl is as in body positivity. Pero to the point na parang unti na lang mag-expose na siya. Like, 'di ba? Is that what you want for your page or like is that what for one for your you know, those actually is that for you want for your platform or is that you want to be known? Tama ba yung English ko? Anyways, going back. Parang it's part of my ick now na parang makakakita ko ng mga ganon. Like, especially the big platforms talaga na para bang Facebook, ano ba ba? Instagram Reels. 'Di ba? Like, ano ba ba? TikTok, YouTube, not so. Pero like, I mean short films, I think. Short films sa YouTube, yeah. Pero yung ano talaga, girlies, yung talagang pinili pa niya pa sa mga big platforms na mag-post ng mga gano'n. And I'm gonna say this, like, there are corn stars sa mga platforms. And I know that they want to promote, let's say, corn stars or like alter users or alter creators. I don't know, but yeah. Pero, girlies, okay, just for the record, what are the other terms ba? Pero like, 'di ba? Like, I know I'm watching some. Of course, I'm not gonna deny it. Nanonood naman din ako. Pero like, sana man lang next time piliin niyo kung anong platform pagpo-postan niyo. Like, for example, OOTD, can you wear more like, um, what you call this? More conservative, like maybe shorts. I mean, I get it, the upper body is fine. Or like, I mean, gets ko naman nakahubad siya or like not totally nakahubad, gets ko naman yung OOTD or like outfits or like fashion contents na parang let's say, naka-trunks siya, naka-swimwear siya because magsi-swim nga siya. Alangan namang magpantalon siya or mag-trousers siya na magsi-swim, 'di ba? Like, I get na okay ako dun sa mga magsi-swimming or anything. Pero yung, um, doing a fashion content tapos yung first clip mo is naka-ano ka lang, naka-brief or like naka-cycling shorts ka. Boxer mapapatawad ko pa, eh, pero yung cycling or boxer ay, cycling or brief? Totoo ka, girl? Charing. Hindi lang yun. Yun naman tapos or like, okay, okay, okay yun. I mean, okay, hindi naman okay yun. I mean, oh my God, nakakalimutan ko yung train ng thoughts ko. Pero like, I get that. Pero like, can we be more conservative to those big platforms like, let's say, um, like yung mga clean ang records. Charing na totally clean or like maraming restricted na policies like, what's it called this? Facebook, Instagram, and ang tawag ito? And TikTok and other platforms na maraming ano. Pero, pero siguro mapagbibigyan ko pa sa X. I don't have X. I have, yeah, basta doon, possible pa doon na mag ganun-ganun ka. Kasi parang I think hindi naman ganun ka restriction ang X, 'di ba? Kaya they use it for to post ganitis ganyan. Pero like, girl, sa mga platform pa talaga ng mga ano, maraming restriction dun ka magpo-post ng gano'n or like, let's say sa mga mararaming batang I'm concerned to the next generation or I'm concerned to the young generation na parang makakita silang mag-post ng mga gano'n or makakakita sila ng post na mga gano'n na, girl, sa totoo, totoo kayo? Na gusto gano'n ba yung gusto niyong magiging viewers? I mean, let's say it's not for the kids. Yeah, let's say it, but we cannot control kids. Totoo yan, girl. Right? Kaya parang kung ako sa inyo, choose your platform wisely, okay? Kasi I regret doing that before just for the clout, but now if I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna do it differently or like use bathrobe, girl. That's more respectful for me. I mean, to the platform. And let's say yung mga um tawag ito, yung mga R18 R18 contents like, girl, pwede po bang sa ibang platforms na lang? Like, I saw a lot of foreigners, stars, P stars na nagpo-post like sa IG and Facebook. Like, I have this, parang 'pag mag-scroll ako sa reels ko or like sa ano, or sa mga reels, oh yeah, sa mga reels ko 'pag magpo-post ako ta's makikita ko silang gano'n. Tapos yung makikita mo yung shadow nung ano nila be, ting! Basta yun, yung makikita mo yung mga shadow, like, totoo kayo diyan sa ano talaga ipo-post niyo yun, sa Facebook, sa Instagram, mostly dun ko kasi nakikita yung mga ano, dun sa totoo lang, dun kayo magpo-post. And ang problem din kasi dito mismo, bakit yung app, they're not gonna do something else because no one's gonna report it. Pero like, girl, it's time to move to do that if we want to be a safe space or, for the platform. But yeah, that's for me lang naman, girls. Girlies, I regret it. Okay, I regret doing it. And I realized that it's not good for every platform. So yeah, that's just for me. And I hope those creators or yung mga nagpapatalbog-talbog ng ano talaga dyan. Pero I hope they will open their mind that these platforms have a lot of watchers, have a lot of different watchers. And yeah, I hope they be more considerate to their what they post. So yun lang naman, girlies. That's for the pod. I am Zoser and this is Make It Happen, Girl. Bye.